Hey you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to deposit your money on PrimeXBT. So let's start right here with how to do that. And before starting with how to do that, you need to verify your account. You will see that in a few seconds. If you go further, he will also tell you that you need to verify your account before you can do something. So if you go right here to this nice blue button deposit, we can decide from here if you want to deposit money or crypto. So let's deposit money from here. Then we select right here to which wallet address. Now this is my main wallet address, so that is fine. Then we select here, select payment method. So you can select right here which one you want to use. Now most of the time you're using bank cards, I think. And that is not possible right now because he is on lock. And that is because we didn't verify your account. So verify your account first and then you can deposit, because then after this you select your payment method, then select the amount, and then you can do your payments from your PC and your phone or whatever you're using to do the payment. And then after that you did your payment and then you will receive your money. So this is how you can deposit money money or crypto, because if you select your crypto, you can fill in right here which crypto you want to deposit. Then right here from your wallet or create new. And then, yeah, you still need to verify your account like always. So this is how you can deposit with crypto and money. Yeah, if you have questions about one of these methods, let me know that please in the comments. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.